Third is focus on learning outcome. Learning outcome, this is especially with reference to, section A and section B questions where you have MCQs and OTQs. Each MCQ or each short question has got one pain point. It has one trick. It has one learning outcome. Again, I will give example for leases. If you are doing leases question, so in one question they will make lease payment in advance. In another question they will give lease payment in arrears, which means at the end. Then in one question they ask you the current lease liability. In another question they ask you non-current lease liability. In another question they ask you total lease liability. So once you do one question, you should not immediately jump to the second one. You should sit back for 1 minute and think like, what was the requirement in this question and what did I learn from here? So if I have to calculate current lease liability, what is the process of calculating current lease liability? So you have already done it. I'm not saying that you did not do it. You have done it, but take a breath. Think like this, what did I learn from here? Because exam will also come from the same thing. There is nothing else in exam. So